Okay, I'm going to be showing you what you're going to be doing in class today. So you are going to open up Chrome like usual. On my page, we're going to be working with emaze and iClipArt. So emaze is a presentation software. So you're going to go to emaze and you are going to sign up. So it says over here on the right, start now, it's free. If yours decides to switch to Spanish, up here where it says Espanol, just click on English. So you're going to enter your email and you're going to create a password. Remember that your email is your Google login. As always, I prefer if you used the password for your Chromebook, but that is up to you. And you'll click on sign up. I'm going to log in. If you have any problems with this, I just want you to go and make a Google presentation. So I personally would have it save my password, but that's just me. So you are going to create a presentation. So you signed up and you're here. You will have a bunch of templates. You don't have to click new like I need to. You'll have all these presentations and you're going to select one. It does not matter to me what you decide to choose. Your topic today, you have a choice of 3. You can either do winter is, December is, or Christmas is. And if one is a video, that's totally fine too. Up to you. Any of these themes work. I'm going to go with the educational template. I have to click on it twice. I pick which one I want. I'll just go with the one that I did. You do not have to choose the one I did. I've done design one, I've done the Christmas one, I've done the first grade classroom one. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to delete this. I'm going to write winter is ... So this is my sentence starter. You're going to have 7 total slides. Each one is going to be completing this sentence. If this is making it so if maybe it went W-I-N-T and then E-R was on a different line, if you click on it, which I'm having an issue with, but if you click on this box, you should get blue boxes around it, and you can just push your backspace button to delete it if you don't want it there, or to stretch it. There we go. So I can stretch it out to make it bigger if I want to, or if you're maybe doing like that Merry Christmas and Happy New Year one, you don't want things, you just delete it. Okay? So I'm going to put my title back in here again. Winter is. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new slide. That's the slide and the plus button. And you're going to choose your template. I have lots of templates. You may only have a few. Doesn't really matter. I'm just going to go with a blank one. And what you're going to do is you're going to add in a text. So I went to the A. Title, headline, subtitle, text is up to you. I'm going to go with the title again. So for me, winter is sledding. Okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another tab. I lied. You don't need to make another tab. Go back to your technology tab. And underneath the emaze one is iClipArt. And you are going to log on to here. It is on the wall by Mrs. Down that I share with Mrs. Down's room. It is 1719 Denville, AEA 267. 1719 Denville, AEA 267 is the password. You're going to sign in. And there's clip art or there's photos. It's up to you what you want to choose. You could do a combination of, I do clip art. That's kind of cartoony. I like it. So I'm going to type in the word sledding. If maybe it comes up that it's not showing anything, then you may need help spelling something. So just make sure you ask Mrs. Mather that. So then I click find. I'm going to find a picture. If you see this has a 1, 2, and 3, so that means there's 3 pages of sledding pictures. So I like this one. I'm going to click on download. and then it says JPG. Okay, that's the JPEG one. I'm going to download. Then I have to click on continue. And hopefully it'll be fast. Okay, now up here where it says schools.iclipart.com slash blah blah blah, that's called the URL address. I'm going to click in it once and it turns blue. Then you're going to hold down Control and X. And you see how it disappeared there? So that was Control X for a cut. I'm going to go back to my presentation. I'm going to click on Image. It says from web, paste image URL. In order to paste, you're going to do Control V, like violet. Control V and click Add. And your picture will show up. Sometimes they're a little slow, so just be patient. If I want to make it smaller, I can make it smaller or bigger. I can move it around. Okay, that's up to you. So then you're going to do another new slide. Doesn't have to be the same template. It could be something else. Winter is, I'm going to give it another title. Winter is Christmas. Okay, then I went back to my iClipart. Now some people got confused about this today because they're like, oh my goodness, it's not there anymore. Well, it is. I just have to push the back button. I think it's about 3 times, or I can click on it and I can see that it's photos there. So then, you don't need to watch this, you don't have to, but I'm just showing you. Christmas, find, I'm gonna go with the Christmas tree. Download, the JPEG, I click download, continue, maybe. Okay, now do not cut this and the URL until your picture's grown all the way or it won't work for you. So I click up there, it's blue, I do Control X, go back to my presentation, image, from web, Control V, add, there you go. You need to have 7 slides total. You have your title one, winter is, Christmas is, December is, whatever you choose, and then each slide completes it. Okay? In the corner here it says save. So give it your title. You're going to rename it, and then once you have a check mark next to save, that is when you know you did what you needed to. My other 2 classes didn't get finished. If you get stuck, don't get frustrated. We will finish this next time. You will just type and be good. Okay, I will see you next week.